looks like we've arrived at our destination, the KOA Campground.
Turn left, then arrive at your destination.
Okay, nice. So we have not, by any chance, set up a reservation. We just saw it, and we are coming. So hopefully I can get a reservation. Hopefully there's something
Arrive
available.
at 115 North 2nd Avenue. Arrived.
Okay. I'll stop at office before entering. Where's the office? No outlet. Question, where's the office here? It's pretty. What's here? Got a pool over there and everything. Flags. Oh, a playground area. This looks nice. This looks somewhere we could stay for a couple of days. Let me just up here and park. Let's see if there's anything available. Okay, I hope there is. Look at that. Christy would love that. Okay, so we managed to get the very last campground. So I like the way they have this set up. All I have to do is follow this yellow line. Follow the yellow brick road. Oh my. That's what it feels like. That's just so smart for them to have done it like this. Boy, this is nice. Do you see this? Okay, this is nothing like the KOA Campground at Apache Junction. I was gonna try to get 2 nights. They only had 1 night. I'm happy to get the 1 night. I mean, you can rent those things over there. Look, you can rent those over there. Alright. Look at this. We've got all kind of RVers over here.
Thank you.
Okay. So I have to really pay attention here, because this place is full. So here I am. So let me make sure. Let me double check. Is this number 4? Okay.
The yellow stripe road.
Actually, I don't. I go to number 4. I'm on the red. Now that I look at the paper correctly. Alright, they have all these cabins here. Oh, look at this little fella. Okay. Somebody's used to being on a campground. Okay. There's number 1. She said 4, so I see the numbers on the ground. That's even better with the red. 1, 2. Oops, we don't want to fall. Look at there. Lots of campgrounds. I meant to say campers. SUVs, RUVs, Class B, C, travel trailer, 5th wheel, tents. Here we go. Site number 4. And they say they water the grass at night, so we have to take all our stuff off the grass. She said it's 1305. Okay, I'm a little confused.
1303.
She said we're spot 1305.
04. 1305.
Oh, I see. We have to set our tent up the way their tent is just sitting there. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Some serious tent camping. Oh, we're gonna have fun here. We have these over here. Well, they don't have much space to camp once they park. Alright, so time to get out and get busy. Oh, this is a very beautiful campground. Look at this. Oh my goodness, look at this. All the tall trees. Oh, campfire going.
Oh no!
Very tall trees. And there's our tent. There we are. Okay, so this is inside the van. It's kind of dark. As you can see, there's the bed up top for Christy to get on. I have a couple of pillows up there. And then on this floor right here, there's nothing in here. Everything on the floor. We'll just put the mattress on the floor. See all that floor space? And then we can sleep on the floor long ways. See that? So I'm gonna blow up this mattress, and as you can see, I have clipped, I don't know if you can see it, but I have clipped, see that? These curtains that I made everywhere. You know, across the back, across here, and here. And then I clipped this red little blanket throw. You can see I can clip it here. I like the design of the van because this right here, you can clip clips under all these parts like that. They're everywhere. And I found those clips in Walmart in the sewing section. So I can hang them up and pull them down whenever I want to. The other thing, all the way back there, you know, I'm not long enough, so I don't reach back there, so we can still have the cooler. Some stuff back there. Other stuff can be up here on the front seat, down in the well. Front seat over there. And as you see, we still have room behind the seats once I pull that other seat through. It's good, Preston. Tastes good.
Yep.
Well, Christy, tastes good. This is our campsite. Just got through cooking. Got plenty of water and get Gatorade, light, chips. I don't know if we need chips or not. Sodas. A happy husband. A happy husband makes a happy wife. Happy husband, happy life. Right, Preston? And vice versa, of course. This is us at the campground. Still eating. Here we are, sitting in the tent, looking at a movie. All of us together, looking at a movie on the TV about dolphins.
Hi.
Yeah.
Having fun.
Okay, we're in the van. We're sleeping 3 of us in here. As you can see, Christy is up here on top. There's all our plunder back there behind that black curtain. Oh, there are our feet. Ah, see our feet. Yay! And here's Preston. So this is us in here. So you can see there's the curtains up there at the top. This is where I connected them up here with those clips. Then as we go this way, you know, I'm hanging this little fleece throw up here. You can see the clips up there. Hopefully you see the clips. So here this is. So you can see this complete wraparound. Oh, you have to excuse the trash bag, but I ran out of a cloth. I lost it. I don't know what happened. So I just clipped a garbage bag, a black garbage bag up there. Oh boy. So anyway. There's a will, there's a way. Now you notice that this is a table. You can see the legs of the table here. This is one of those lifetime tables from Walmart. See the legs over here. You can see. So when I raise my foot up, you know, I'm just touching right there. So she has her mattress on top of this table because she's only 3 feet 10 inches across, and the table is longer than 3 feet 10 inches. And of course, there's another. She has another. She has room to grow because she has another 7 inches on that side and another 7 inches on that side, where that cloth is. And our feet end up under the table. But as you can see, my knees is not. So the only thing is about mid-calf and under, and down to my feet, or beneath. You know, of course, Preston's much taller. He's 6'2". Yeah, that's right, he's 6'2", and look, he has a lot of room as well. And we let our seats forward, and then we put all the plunder on the front seat that we had in here. So this is us. You know, it's so nice that we can do this because it is actually, you know, cold outside. See that? So we have this fleece. So that makes it colorful. I like the red. It kind of brightens it up in here. And as far as for the light, I don't know if you noticed, I have the camp light. This is our light. Of course, it's bright, then it can be dim. Well, that's off. It can be dim, then bright. And then it can strobe as well, use it for an emergency. So I just have that there. And of course I have my flask when I wake up and get my coffee in the morning. Of course there are little plugs and things, but they don't, not too much. You have to have the engine running in order for those to work. But anyway, this is us, and we're gonna go good night. Okay, we're getting ready to go. We have our trash up here on the hood. We're going to dump our trash. We just have to see where it is. So I'll put the camera over here. Oh, let me get this. Alrighty. So we'll take a tour of the campground. Lady said come up here and turn to the right. That's a bathroom. Oh. Did you say?
Turn to the right.
Alright, so he's collecting the trash. Beyond, this is their restroom area here. You can see the campground is very nice. Lots of RVers here, a ton. It's huge. Someone had fun with the markers. Got it all over her face.
But I had fun.
Oh, that's good. Look who's washing the shoes. Getting all the mud off.
That's off the sole.
All right. Okay. So I'm going to show you some of the campground as we're leaving. Oh, which way? Can we turn that way? Yeah. Is it one way? I think it's one way. Because everybody's facing this way. I'd hate to be the... Well, somebody's facing that way. Okay. You can see it's pretty tight, narrow streets, but this is a very, very nice campground. I mean, all the trees is well manicured. Everybody was polite. Christy had a chance to play with other children. It was very, very nice. Yes, I need to. I'm watching for arrows, which ways we can drive. I don't see any arrows. All that, I need to go the way of the arrows because I don't want to be over here driving the wrong way. So we're just going to take a tour. We have big trash dumps. Alright, so this is where I go here. So we're getting a little bit more of a tour. The back side. You see the sights are pretty. They have enough room to do what they need to do. We have the tent sites over here on the back. Look at that. These are very nice. Every time I come to these RV parks, you hear 2 words strung back to back coming out of my mouth. That's nice. A lot of these RVs are nice. Yeah, I have extra parking over here as well. It's an excellent park in Chula Vista near San Diego. This is actually KOA San Diego Metro. KOA Campground. Absolutely beautiful. One of the largest ones with the water bottle I've seen. Now there's their office and store over there. Propane. They have a pool, everything. Well manicured. There's beautiful grounds. Picnic benches. You can just come here and park and go over there.